Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to prepare quick and easy dessert for Diwali. So let's get started. In a pan I have added very little ghee and we'll let the pan heat up a little bit. Once the pan is hot, I will add in some almonds, some cashew, some pistachio. We'll roast all this. The nuts have roasted properly. We'll turn off the flame. I will let this cool down and then we will put it into a grinder and make it into like small pieces, not powder. So here our crushed nuts are ready. I've kept it in a bowl. To this I'm going to add in some raisins, some tutti frutti, some desiccated coconut, some cardamom powder. Now I'll add in some gulkand and we'll mix all this until well combined. Here I have some dates which I've slit in half and I've de-seeded them. Now let's start putting our prepared filling in each of these. So in this way I will add filling to all of the dates. So I've finished filling all the dates with the stuffing that we prepared and this is all ready to be served. You can garnish this with some silver leaf, gold leaf or whatever you like to decorate with. So do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.